Hello traders, the title of this video is FS Trader reveals the advantages of market geometry trading. FS Trader reveals the advantages of market geometry trading. All right. So, what is a market geometry? A market geometry consists of projecting channels, rising channel, declining channels, and horizontal channel in a direction of the price. We are looking at the US dollar yen currency pair, and I'm on the weekly chart, all right? As you can see, the price was in the red channel here, this rising channel here, all right? How can we use market geometry, okay, to improve our forex trading, our technical trading? So because the price was in the rising channel here before, as the price D below that red channel, so it came out of that channel, all right? We will measure the width of that channel, okay, and project in the direction of the price. Now, one of the advantages of the market geometry, it allows us to identify hidden key levels. All right, so by projecting that channel here in a direction of the price, we will draw another line that is parallel. This is the orange line that is parallel to our first channel. So you can see that what is happening here, the price came out of the first channel and then continue to go down to the edge of the projected channel, which is the orange line here, all right? But suddenly it came out again, so here we are. This is a very good setup here. Price is out of the second channel, and here it is, it retested. Here we have a bearish trading setup. So price is out of that, okay, projected channel. All right, and break, it came out. Now it retested here. So this is what we call break below and retest on the edge of that orange line, which is the end of the projected channel. Without a market geometry, one will not know that there is a key level here, which is the orange line here. So you may be wondering why the price find a resistance here. It's because of that orange line. So with the market geometry, we are able to know where are the hidden, okay, trend line, hidden support and resistance level, hidden key levels. One more thing, as you can see, the price was first in the first channel here, all right? As it came out, we projected here. Another thing that we can do is as soon as we have a channel in place, we will also draw the median line or the middle line of that channel. So that middle line is somewhere here. Okay, if you agree, okay, that's the median line, the middle line. Okay, will you agree? Is it divided in two? Almost, all right, somewhere in that region. Okay, so that's the median line. So one more thing I want you to see is that you can see that as the price D below the median line, look what it did again. Am I talking to myself? We are talking about this line here. I will color it now into green. That's the median line of our projected channel using market geometry. As the price D below the median line, here it is again, the price rally up again to retest that median line, creating a bearish trading setup on the edge of that median line. So without the market geometry, we will not be able to see those hidden key level, hidden trend line. In this case, we are talking about the median line of our projected channel. It breaks below it and retests it here. You can also see that as the price came out of the first channel here, it came down quickly and it stopped here. You see, it bounced up a bit here, acknowledging the median line of that channel. So you may be wondering, George, I know this already. What's the point of the video? I want you to stay with me because I want to tell you again more what is going on right now. All right, so watch the full length for this tutorial so you may understand what I'm trying to share with you today, even though if you already know a bit about market geometry. All right, so this is it again. It breaks below and retests here, offering us, okay, a bearish trading setup. A trader responded and sold it down. All right. Okay, all right, here this was another one here, break below the orange line and retest here. Another thing that one of the advantage of the market geometry, we want to know where a reversal is likely to take place. You can see that by projecting the first channel, we have our second channel, that is the end, this orange line here. The price came out of that channel, so as the price came out of our second channel, what do we need to do? We will project that channel again one more time, because it came out of the second channel for the third time. So this is our second channel here. It came out of the second channel. We project, okay, we use the width of our original channel, and we project it again one more time, bringing us near this blue line here. That is a line that is parallel to our original channel. And you can see that the price came out of the second channel, and then here it is. It now is back inside. So it turned around here and returned inside the channel. So if a financial instrument is in the rising channel and it came out of the rising channel, is indicating to us that that bullish momentum is diminishing. But if the price return back inside the channel, is indicating to us that there is more demand to buy the financial instrument, because as it's coming out for the first time, it's a weakness for that bullish momentum. But as it's returning back inside the bullish channel, is an indication that the bullish momentum is likely to resume or to continue. All right. Okay. So with the market geometry, looking at the price action here, we can see that the market sentiment for the US dollar yen is now changing from bearish to bullish, because the price is back again inside the bullish channel. This is the advantage of the market geometry. Now look at the third channel. So the third channel, you can see here, this is the lower part of the third channel. Okay, here it is. Let's try to draw again a median line for the third channel. Okay, here we are. The reason why I'm recording this video is because a lot of traders are not using the market geometry. And that median line, this time I'll color it in turquoise, okay? As a trader put a comment earlier on that I was asking, is it teal that we say in English for this color, or is it turquoise? The gentleman said the turquoise is for men and teal for women. It's a nice comment. So here you can see again, by drawing the median line of our third channel, which is the second projection of our first channel. So remember, okay, this is our original channel. The price was in that channel. So first projection to the orange line, second projection to the blue line. Now look carefully. As we draw the median line for that second channel, you can see as the price came out of the second channel, it just found its support on the edge. This is a bullish setup. Look at this one. Look at this one here. A bullish setup on the edge of the median line of our second projected channel. Okay, so price was in this small blue channel. And I came out of that channel and retested here. I'm talking about this small blue channel, right, coming down in a blue channel to the median line of the second channel, of the second projected channel. So after that, look what it did. It came out of that smaller blue channel and retest the median line of our second projected channel, creating here a bullish trading setup. And from here, this is what the price is now. It's now going up. Now you may say, George, I already know this. I haven't finished yet. Okay, now let's pay attention. Now we are talking. We said, I explained to you at the beginning of this video that market geometry consists of projecting channels: rising channel, declining channel, horizontal channel. So now I'm going to remove all my channel that I've drawn so far, and I want you to concentrate on my new channel that I'm going to show you in a minute. Okay. So I'm removing all my channel from my chart. I'll leave the green, the red one, the original one there. But I want you to concentrate now. This is what I want you to see, so you may understand what is happening now. Okay. So now let's concentrate. Let's apply again the market geometry to this smaller channel. You see this blue channel here. So one more time, we will just need to measure the width of that channel. Here it is. And as I explained to you, market geometry consists of projecting channel. So you can see that the price was in this declining channel, and it came out. Now we project it. So this is the size of the channel. The price out of it going up. We project in the direction of the price, bringing us here. All right. Can you see? That's the line that this is our first projection of the blue channel. Now it goes above that first channel, and we project it again. Now we are here. Now it becomes very interesting. Now the dollar yen is now retesting the edge of that second projected channel. See, this is our second projected channel. This is the first one here. This is the second one here. So we are now on the edge of that channel. Can you see the advantage of market geometry trading? The projection of channel, horizontal channel, declining channel, all right? Okay, rising channel. Can you see that? Can you see the advantage of it? But now, we cannot talk about, when we are talking about market geometry, we are also talking about Pitchfork tool. We can't use market geometry without Pitchfork tool, because Pitchfork tool is about channels, all right? So now, what I'm going to do to make it more interesting, to make it more multi-talented trading, all right, I'm going to use the advanced trading tool that a lot of traders are neglecting, the Pitchfork tool. Here we are. So we need 3 points to draw the Pitchfork tool, all right? So here we are. This is the first point here. So price goes up. So if you do not know how to draw Pitchfork tool, you need to check our playlist at Day Pro Trader YouTube channel, where we are talking about Day Pro Trader YouTube channel. Check the playlist about Pitchfork tool trading. All right. So first point, price goes up from A. This is point A to point B, and then you pull back to point C without going to the beginning of the trend. So we have 3 points. Now I have my Pitchfork tool on my chart. Hold on a second. I'm going to remove other lines on this chart so we may concentrate on the Pitchfork tool, because we cannot talk about market geometry without paying attention to the Pitchfork tool. Now that I've placed the Pitchfork tool on the chart, all right, don't forget all the other lines that are drawn before. You can do exactly that on your weekly chart for the dollar yen, if you are trading the dollar yen or you are trading forex. All right, you can see that now we want to concentrate on the Pitchfork tool. So though my RSI period 14 is overbought, all right, here it is, you see, it's overbought. RSI 14 is overbought. A lot of ordinary traders will try to sell it at this. But it's a mistake, because when the RSI is above 50, it's telling that the bullish momentum is strong, that the financial instrument has a more chance to continue to go up. But as it's going up, where is the best play that we should consider the price overbought? It's somewhere near the edge of the Pitchfork tool, not in the middle of this. So we will prefer professional traders that are using the Pitchfork tool will be happy to push it up to the edge of the Pitchfork tool. Doesn't mean that it will definitely reach there, but that's a better place. Okay, one will look for an opportunity, okay, to take profit or to sell or to look for a bearish trading setup on the edge of the Pitchfork tool. Another recommendation that I say to traders is that when we draw the Pitchfork tool like this, we have 2 channels. So we see that's the upper channel between this brown line and the median line. So that's the first half of the Pitchfork tool. Okay, and the second half is below here. Anytime we draw the Pitchfork tool, pay attention to the median line of each half of those channels. So you see here, so now I'm putting here carefully the median line of the second half of my Pitchfork tool. Look what the price did here. Look at that. Can you see it? Look how the price acknowledged the median line of the second half of the Pitchfork tool. So the price, as you can see, they bought it on the edge of the median line of our second projected channel, the earlier one that I showed you before at this point in time, you remember? Okay, what I will show you. What I will show you right here. You remember that? If you forget, okay, replay the video, all right? So now look, as the price start going now, it goes up above the median line of the second half of the Pitchfork tool. So it breaks above it, and look, and then it retests it here. Now again, professionals know that this is a bullish trading setup. Breaks above, retests a bullish trading setup. Now they implement a bullish trading setup, and the price is going up. But if you were trading the RSI alone, you will fall into trap thinking that it's overbought, and you will start selling. But what was happening here is just because the price breaks above, okay, the median line, the median line of the second half of our Pitchfork tool, and retest it here, creating a bullish trading setup. So the next target, the next resistance that professionals are watching is the median line of the Pitchfork tool. Can you see the advantage of the Pitchfork tool? Hold on a second, please. All right, traders. So, do you see the advantage of the Pitchfork tool? All right, I hope you do. All right. So, this is just to highlight, okay, the importance of the market geometry, all right, the projection of the channel, and the use of the Pitchfork tool. All right. I hope you have learned something for this video also. All right. And we'll put it into use to improve your technical analysis. All right. To summarize the video, the market geometry consists of projecting channel, rising channel, declining channel, horizontal channel in the direction of the price in view to identify, okay, hidden key support and resistance level where we will be looking for high probability trading sector, i.e. price breaks above, retest, price breaks below, retest, and then we implement a top-down trading method to trade it. All right, we can combine the market geometry with the stochastic, with the RSI, with the momentum oscillator in order to make excellent trading decisions. The market geometry also allow us to pinpoint hot spot trading zone. So that this is point here, this is a hot spot trading zone because the price breaks above the median line of the second half of the Pitchfork tool and retest here, creating a beautiful hot spot trading zone. One thing that we can do, we can also connect the horizontal key level. This is a one horizontal key level that we call common, okay, key levels, and with the trend line. So when you see that we have a key horizontal level and you have the intersection point between that key level and another trend line, those intersection points are key or a hotspot trading zone. All right. If you have any question or suggestion, or I put in the comment section, and in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about FS Trader reveals the advantages of market geometry trading. Happy trading to you all and speak to you soon.